Want to enhance the experience of your trade show exhibit? Check this out. With the SEGO shelving display, you can create a space for audience engagement and product display. You can even combine the TV and shelving to create a demo display. It's perfect for all your trade show needs. Here's how to set it up. Take the middle support pole, snap it into place, and attach the bracket arms on either side. If you need to adjust the placement, use the key to pop it out. Be sure to cut holes in the graphic fabric for the arms. Then you can place your shelf, and voila!